How to put video inside text. To begin, I added a video clip and a text to my timeline, and I would like to put the video inside text. Start by going to Effects panel and search for Track Matte Key. Drag and drop Track Matte Key effect into your video. With your video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Track Matte Key, change Matte to Video 2. I use Video 2 because my text is in my second track, the V2 track. Now we have what we wanted, but let's say we want to change the background color to another color. Go to Project Panel, right-click, and select New Item, Color Matte. The default is OK. Set the color of your choice and set a name if you want, and click OK. Now drag your video and text layer to a track above and drag Color Matte to the bottom track, and set its size to match the video. Now that we changed track and put text to track V3, we have to change the settings of Track Matte Key. So, select your video, then change Matte to Video 3 as our text is now placed at track V3. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.